Howdy folks, Tom Bubbly here once again. So let's look at the generic C. Get the readme up to date, just to describe what it does. And if we go into satire, which is where all the fun stuff is, we have basically the three language comparisons associated with what this thing will eventually do. So there we have it like this. And there's a thing, actually I should probably point out back here, associated with this. So this has no print or no main. And this is designed, so basically you write the code initially with any unit testing and everything at the end, which is a functionality actually of Rust, which I found reading more about Rust. And if you want to remove that, then you just do the NP. So if we go back to satire, have a look here at the C, for example. So this has what would be, just a standalone code, and it would eliminate the main in the case of just compiling it out accordingly, and eliminate all the printfs as well. So eliminate all this stuff. Now this one's an interesting one. I probably need to rewrite this so it explicitly doesn't eliminate the time radius part of that. We'll get to that when we get to it. But comments come through, code comes through, and if we move back to satire, look at JavaScript, it's basically comments, code comes through. Obviously I'll remove the log, so I need to probably rewrite this so this stuff is not explicitly part of the log, so it'll be in there even if the log is removed. And I was going to move to Rust as well, but so far just 3, and also a simple build script which just builds them all together, runs them all together, shows the comparison all together. So this is where it is currently. Tom Bubbly in Las Vegas, Nevada, signing out.